I've got to shit.
You the Sunnies?
Yeah, we got the safety Sunnies. We purchased these $2.60. Comment down below if we should make. I'm about to sneeze, man. I forgot my allergy pill. Comment below if we should make Moist Boys safety Sunnies. Like maybe Moist Boys across the.
Kind of like Pit Viper?
Yeah, that'd be sick. Yeah,
Pit
so
Viper
let us
would be
know if
sick.
you guys want Moist Boys safety Sunnies. These ones are actually rated for something. So that's crazy. Are these polarized, bro?
Think you look directly at the
Not for
sun?
$2.60. I did yesterday, and it was awesome.
Did you see any aliens?
Man, you look like in a fucking Matrix.
Saw it. No.
Man,
Bro.
Moist Boys should make Pit Vipers.
We were going to. Try, We got and then the fucked on. Manufacturer's being a chode. Just said fuck you.
Oh, really?
That shit's fucked, bro.
Bro.
That was like how the negotiations were going with Pit Viper guy.
What's happening, bro?
Then negotiating with this tire was like us negotiating with
That
Pit
shit's
Viper.
busted, bro.
So that was like
Okay,
$100. Stop.
Bro, we got fucked, bro.
We're trying to do something for the people and we get fucked.
We're trying to work on big secret things you know about.
Oh.
Big
Right?
secret things that aren't too secretive.
Ben
Ooh,
knows.
you gotta do that.
You know what we're talking about.
Bro.
No jokes about having a 3-inch wiener a little too much. Where it's
Not a joke. I think we're ready to go up.
well, that's not very stable.
Can I get one?
Are those Siposauruses? Wake it up.
Look so angry.
So we gotta cook them in the oven. Try not to melt them. Then also we gotta swap out my tail lights and seal them up because those are Daltman's tail lights in there now. But yeah.
Everything's better when it's hard.
Yeah, you like it hard, eh?
Oh.
Go on the lights. Come out, wherever you are. Oh, these hoes really in there.
You think ever, like, you think someone's ever like taken bricks out of their car and then immediately put them on the ground and shattered them?
For sure.
You ever see like posts of like wanna buy one side of bricks? Someone like drops them on the ground. That's sad.
Can you imagine not having bricks? Well, these were like the bricks were like the lowest end headlights.
Everything about bricks fucking sucks, but they look cool.
Is that the only reason they're hyped up? Because they look cool?
Yeah, they're shit. Like when you turn them on, there's no like you're driving at night, you turn them on, can't even tell they're on.
Ah. Can you not get new bulbs for them that make it better?
Oh, blue LED bulbs are illegal, bro.
Bullshit, that little scared of the cameraman.
It's kind of curious.
Kobe, wash your hands, eh?
It's a little hot.
What are they cooking?
Bricks, bro.
Why do they?
Oh no,
They kind of smell good.
it's the but feel the RTV there. It's not like melted.
Why do they kind of smell good in the oven? What'd you cook, Ben?
This is a fresh brick out of the oven.
Save me a slice, dude. The whole lens crack?
Oh no!
But you go pretty big one.
Maybe that's what the sound.
How you feeling? We have more downstairs.
Not too bad. Wait, more downstairs?
Yeah.
Bricks?
Yeah.
Why? You can swap it out. Swap out the lens.
Yeah. Well, why do you swap the lens? They need to heat both of them.
I think the other
That's
one might
okay.
be just good.
On that side?
Yeah.
What if that side was cracked? Would we still bomb?
Ooh. Wonder if the heat did that.
Ben was like, "That's not a good sound." I think it might have been that sound.
Yeah.
Feeling fart.
You feeling that? You got a headache?
reacting, dude.
What did it say?
Honestly, you do get kind of like
Bro.
a little bit with the
Why do you put that
extras.
in there?
I think you just wanted it to be brighter, maybe?
But it's fucked because when you look at them, the like lights just like
Are we swapping the lens from the other ones or not?
yeah, I don't just fucking crack shit.
Are you coming?
Yeah, just let me get
You're
dressed.
probably out in Lang, Dalton.
Huh?
You're probably out in Langford.
I'm not out in Langford.
You're always out in fucking Langford. There was tinfoil inside the headlight, which was making it very unsafe for the road, so we took it out.
Yeah.
Only have 1 minute, Adam.
Only 1 minute, speed it up.
Can I juice it or do you want to juice
You
it?
juice it.
Okay.
Finish bees going down.
Is this the right piece of glass for the side?
Talk.
That's what's in my pussy. It's a bit of a stretch. That looks so much better without the fucking tinfoil in it.
Can we do this one now?
Yeah.
Put them back on.
Yeah, man.
Hold on.
I'm missing something, bro.
Everything is stripped. It's so fucking cool.
Cinematic. I knew their mothers wouldn't cry.
What the fuck do you listen to, man?
Like, this is actually my least favorite genre of music.
This would be a fire out in the gym. Nothing well.
No, dude. I listen to fucking Van Morrison.
Really? Where'd you take the wrong turn?
Well, there's like 80 hairpin turns that you have to take. And I get lost every single time.
So I got a lip here from Aeroworks. I'm gonna try and put it on today.
What are you doing manually?
Chill, bro. It's fine, bro.
Scope the clear side marker.
Good, man. Why are the vents white?
You painted them white.
Why'd you do that?
What kind of question is that?
You're fucked, bro.
It looks
What,
cool.
what kind of question is that?
You're fucking fucked, man.
What do you think, Dalton?
It's like shit, but I'll make it work.
It'd be cool when it's painted white. It'll
Yeah.
look a lot better.
Yeah, well, that's it.
I think I got like 2 clips of that, but it's on. Close your hood. Seriously. Oh, it looks cool, man.
Yeah, it doesn't like that.
Yeah, it's on
You
there.
gotta like figure out how to
Cool,
hold
bro.
it in here though, right?
Some
Yeah.
3M, bro.
Cool, man. But it's pretty solid in there.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna go anywhere.
Fire. Where's your?
Wow,
what are you
Aeroworks
doing for
makes
spats?
Something that actually fits, bro.
What do you know for spats?
Dumbass.
When's that coming? When's that coming?
After I get wheels.
Wow, something smart, bro. Crazy.
Oh.
Nice, bro. Crazy.
You can't even see the little microfiber hairs in there that we. Little puebes that were
Yeah,
stuck
it's
in
fine. It's mint, bro. This is like way more like eggshell than this. This is like white.
It can also just be dirty, man.
No, this is pearl, and this is just super white.
If you paint it though, and then cut and polish the whole car, it like wouldn't look bad. Looks cool, man. Yeah, man.
Should we?
Oh, cool
we
thumbnail,
ask
bro. He's thinking. What are you thinking for wheels?
Well, that's what I wanted to ask you guys. What kind of wheels should I get? I'm thinking 15s, obviously.
Either mesh, Clip 40s. Those other work wheels you were looking at.
Yeah, work CR01s, Equipo 3s or Equipo 1s. That's
So those are your 5 choices.
Yeah.
Comment down below what you want to see.
what would look best. No long chain.
Yeah, they're overdone.
Shrimps on the barbie.
Well, that's some crazy, bro.
Get fresh oyster.
We need an outro.
Well, then do it, bro.
Ben!
What?
You gotta outro the video.
I have to outro the video?
Yeah, you gotta ask him a question.
I don't really know what happened in this video, but I do have a question.
Can't hear it.
If it's a hypothetical question, if you got $1 million, but you like all your stuff stays the same, but for a whole year you have to be homeless, and like you can't like buy anything.
Only $1 million?
You get $1 million after a year.
That's not a lot of money
I
though.
don't think we ever got a.
Are you gonna make $1 million this
Did you
year?
ever show the bricks after we fixed them?
I don't know. But where would you live? Like, would you go in the forest or would you live in the city?
In the forest.
Yeah, like a normal person. That'd be awesome.
I mean, look at how mid distance.
You can go anywhere.
For a year, right?
You can go to like a jungle. You can be on a desert island.
I
if
go
you
to
wanted
Pichu Michu.
Machu Picchu.
Machu Picchu in Peru.
That'd be cool.
I'm gonna go there next year. Pichu Michu. I'm going to Pachu Michu next year.
That's Machu Picchu.
What the fuck is a Pichu Michu?
It's Machu Picchu.
Machu Picchu.
Mount Machu Picchu?
Yeah, I'm going there next year.
That's cool, bro.
You wanna
Don't
come?
remember asking.
You wanna come?
No.
I need to cut those zip ties off.
Okay, Ben.
Yeah.
So yeah.
We're not going to Machu Picchu. We're going. That's in.
the question.
Where is Machu Picchu?
What's your answer to the question?
Tell me. Where's Machu Picchu?
It's in Peru.
Didn't think you'd know that. Is it in Peru?
You know what?
It is
You
in
know what?
Peru.
We doubted you, and now you're right. So, 1U, 0 us.
we'll be messaging you from the NAM, okay?
Maybe we
We'll
can
be
meet.
in the
We can meet
jungle.
up somewhere.
Yeah, roll the NAM.
Yeah, we'll meet you in
You know
Nam.
what? 3 rules of NAM. Don't look at lady boys.
I think that's mainly Thailand.
That's Thailand.
They're
Go on,
probably
we're-
everywhere. I think
We're
they're
going to Thailand too, eh?
Yeah,
Number 2.
that was number 3. That was number 2.
Okay, number 2 is have fun with your friends. Number 3, don't take the first 2 rules too seriously.
I like that.
And number 4, you can't leave without seeing a ping pong ball come flying out of a coochie.
No,
Let me
it's
ask you a
good.
hypothetical question. If you're gonna be homeless, you have to be homeless for a year, but you get $1 million at the end. Where would you live being homeless for that year?
Couch and lake. I'll chill lakeside, make a little hut, kill some deers, have some venison.
Oh, I can Hawaii it too.
Yeah, you could.
Oh, you can go anywhere in the world? I thought it was like you had to
I'll
walk
pay
there.
for you to be homeless somewhere.
I think anyway.
you don't have any money. Eat some coffee.
likes him thick, dude? Is your cat? My cat, dude?
Hit me in the car.
The outro.
Like, share,
subscribe.
Shut up. I thought Ben did outro. Okay, aside from Ben's question, if you had the option to either never have a cold the rest of your life or only ever have ghost poos, what would you choose?
Ghost poop.
Define a ghost poo for those that
When
don't
you
know.
when you
Only,
wipe
the
and
only
nothing's-
wipe you have to do is the check wipe.
Yeah.
Just for peace of mind. But you wouldn't even have to after a while. You literally just sit, shit, pants up, roll out, because you'd
You wouldn't
know
even need to put your
I'm getting
pants down.
consistent.
If it's ghost.
No, but ghost
invisible
poo,
poo?
ghost poo means you're not wiping. You don't have to wipe.
Yeah.
I thought ghost poo meant, what's the one that you shit and it's like not in the toilet because it
directly
rockets
down.
down?
No, ghost poo
What's
is
that?
because it
That's
doesn't leave
torpedo.
a trace.
Oh, it's torpedo that goes down.
Yeah.
Bro.
Women play that.
Oh, bro.
Fuck, bro.
Bro.
No one's making a blind. See, I knew that was.
Why is the shutter speed on 320, man?
I didn't change anything.
I'll be in outfield.
You're out,
fucking
bro.
out, bro.
Now I have a fresh one and crack.